Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So finally the wait is over and we have some official news from the Samsung regarding the OneUi 7 update for the older Galaxy devices. So the OneUi 7 update is one of the most anticipated update and it was expected to be released a lot more earlier. But for now it is only available on the Galaxy S25 series and on some of the devices in the beta testing. But now Samsung has officially announced on their website that the official update of the OneUi 7 will be available in the month of April. So finally we have some news regarding the OneUi 7 and it will be released in the month of April. As for now, they have released the beta version for the Galaxy S23 series. It is kind of sad to see that there is no beta version available for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, while there's a beta version available on their mid-range smartphone, and that is Galaxy A55. But hopefully we will get to see the stable official update of the OneUi 7 earlier on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as there can be a downside of the beta version as well because it can be full of bugs and issues, and there are some chances that you can also lose your data in the beta version. So it is totally worth it to wait for the official update. So the new OneUi 7 update is coming up with some crazy new features and new UI design with a new control panel and a now bar for the live activities, as well as you will get to see some of the new app icons with the new OneUi 7 update. And not only this, you might get to see some new Galaxy AI features as well with a new update. Samsung has redesigned the control panel, making it more modern and user-friendly, with the new app icons making the UI feel more redefined. So you will get to see a complete new look of the UI in your Galaxy S22 Ultra after the OneUi 7 update. The control panel was redesigned in the OneUi 6 update, as you remember, but now with the OneUi 7 update, it is going to get a redesign again. And if we talk about the release, so it is expected to be released in the month of April, and first of all it will be available for the Galaxy S24, then S23, and then it will be available for the Galaxy S22 series. So despite the wait, this update is definitely something to look forward to. Are you excited for the new OneUi 7 update? Let me know in the comment section, and if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.